Hello and welcome to Arunz Creation. In this video, we're going to learn about how to create cinematic effects. So cinematic effect is nothing but a combination of contrast as well as black. So let's start with the trick. So firstly, I will tell you the trick how to get this. So it is a combination of this contrast and this curve tone. I will create a cinematic tone with the use of this contrast and as well as this tone curve. So more contrast I want, let's suppose very high contrast, 93. You can say we are getting more and more black. Now I want to create this black into a cinematic black. So what I will do, I will use this curve. Now you can see a very smooth matte effect is coming with this diagonal curve. Again, this is before and this is after, before and after. Okay, now I want to shift the hue as well as this yellow. Again, little bit of this warm look I want. Again, I will adjust this. Now you can see before and after, very nice, very nice, very nice effect is coming. And saturation I want to reduce, again before and after, and little bit of shadows I want, little bit of highlight I want to control, little bit of black I want to add, this white, very nice. And my last step is here. Okay, now you can see this is my final image. This is before and this is after. Just with few tricks, I got this very special effect. So I will create a preset for this so that you can download this preset under the description of this video. So select this, again go to preset, then create preset. Now Arunz Creation Pre 2. Click on create. Again I want to use this on the another image. Right click on there, go to develop and copy setting. Now again few of the images I want. So this is the image. Right click, develop module and paste setting. Now you can see, again right click here, develop module, paste setting. Let's see this. Again few of the images I want. So in this way you can create this cinematic tone in the Lightroom CC. If you want to join my classes in the Punjab, you can call me. My number is there also in the description of this video. We teach photography, Photoshop, Lightroom, lighting, manipulation, background change, color grading, color correction, so many things I teach in my class. So join my class, you can call me for the registration. Thank you and keep watching Arunz Creation.